Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video I am going to discuss about the interval scale. So what is an interval scale? An interval scale has all the characteristics of an ordinal scale, that is, individuals or responses belonging to a subcategory have a common characteristics, and the subcategories are arranged in an ascending or descending order. In addition, an interval scale uses a unit of measurement that enables the individuals or responses to be placed at equally spaced interval in relation to the spread of the variable. This scale has a starting and terminating point and is divided into equally spaced units or intervals. The starting and terminating points and the number of units or intervals between them are arbitrary and vary from scale to scale. Celsius and Fahrenheit scales are examples of an interval scale. In the Celsius system, the starting point considered as the freezing point is 0 Celsius and the terminating point considered as the boiling point is 100 Celsius. The gap between the freezing and boiling point is divided into 100 equally spaced intervals known as degrees. In the Fahrenheit system, the freezing point is 32 Fahrenheit and the boiling point is 212 Fahrenheit, and the gap between the 2 points is divided into 180 equally spaced intervals. Each degree or interval is a measurement of temperature. The higher the degree, the higher the temperature. As the starting and terminating points are arbitrary, they are not absolute. That is, you cannot say that 60 Celsius is twice as hot as 30 Celsius or 30 Fahrenheit is 3 times hotter than 10 Fahrenheit. This means that while no mathematical operations can be performed on the readings, it can be performed on the difference between readings. The interval scale is relative, that is, it plots the position of individuals or responses in relation to one another with respect to the magnitude of the measurement variable. Hence, an interval scale has all the properties of an ordinal scale and it has a unit of measurements with an arbitrary starting and terminating point. I hope you understood the simple concept about interval scale. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.